hairstyle on the track.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Linda Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got from that black color to this brown color that turned out beautiful, okay guys? And I'm going to press her hair out. She haven't had her ends cut in, oh girl, in a long time. And she's never colored her hair before, guys. So she told me she wanted a brown, guys. So I was like, you know what? I bet I could just use a box dye. It's my friend, y'all. It's my friend. So I said, I bet I can use a box dye and get the color that she wants, guys. So she doesn't want like a blonde or anything like that. Or any color that requires a blonde base. So I said, you know what? Come to me, girl. I'm just going to buy this honey blonde. Because I know with box dye, you never get the exact color that you want. It's always darker. So since I knew that if I get a honey blonde, it wasn't going to be any blonde. It's going to be more so like a honey brown. And I was right. That's what we basically got, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys and give you guys tips on how to get an even look the way I did, guys. So just go ahead and stay tuned. So right here, her hair, she came to me with her hair dirty, okay? Her hair is dirty. It's a little tangled, so what I decided to do is kind of stretch her hair out some to make it easier to apply. I ended up using 3 boxes. I ended up getting 3 boxes of dye, guys, because her hair is thick, and I just wanted to make sure that I got all the strands and that I didn't have patches or I didn't run out. I feel like that's the worst thing ever. Like when you're trying to dye hair and you run out of bleach or you run out of color, it's the worst. So I ended up buying 4 boxes actually, just to make sure that I had enough to cover every little inch of her hair, okay, guys? So I ended up putting gloves on, and basically I just started kind of going for it, guys. I ended up just like parting from ear to ear in sections, and then I just started applying the color. So one tip that I can say to use is do not apply this color on the root yet, guys. Go over their hair and apply the color just on the ends. Do not get up to the root. I left about 1 inch of the root out, okay? And as you guys can see, it turned out flawless. I didn't have to really do anything to the hair either, guys. So like I said, I just kind of parted the hair and kind of squeezed the tube. I ended up mixing like 3 bottles of that color together, and those, because it comes in the little squeeze bottles. You just put the developer into the bottle or put the color into the bottle. And then you just kind of mix it up, and then you're basically done. You have to cut off the nozzle as well for the container or for the little squeeze bottle, and then you're good to go. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to keep on just showing you guys. I just literally just apply, not really too much of a method. Just make sure that I'm not hitting the roots yet, okay? After I'm basically done with that, it's time to color the roots. So I'm just going to go back over what I just did, and I'm just going to use that squeeze bottle and basically go over the roots. Since the hair by the roots is close to the head, it will process way quicker. So if you do not do it right, if you color the roots at the same time you're coloring the hair, guys, you are going to have hot roots. And when I say hot roots, I mean your roots are going to be way lighter than the rest of your hair. I know you guys have seen that before. So to ensure that you don't get that, you want to make sure that you are coloring the roots after you apply the color. Because as you guys can see, the ends are already coloring, and the ends are already turning like a brown color. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But once I do go back and retouch the roots, or go back and touch up the roots, guys, I'm going to distribute that product throughout the hair. I'm going to use kind of like a medium tooth comb, and I'm going to comb from the ends to the roots and make sure that everything is detangled, so make sure that I have a solid color throughout the hair, guys. Anybody can do this at home, guys. It's super easy. You don't have to mix any developer, well, any bleach with it. You know, you just have that color in that developer, and it lifted pretty well. So yeah, guys, I'm just literally going to do that the whole time. Just kind of get the roots and go ahead and detangle her hair. Now, guys, I make sure that I use 3 bottles. So whatever hair I had, whatever product I had left over, I definitely just kind of went, you know, I made sure I got the baby hairs. I made sure I got the nape of the neck. I made sure I got every little piece of hair that I could find, okay? And make sure I kind of smooth that product into the hair to make sure that everything was saturated and covered. Once I basically was done with that, it took about 15 minutes to do. I put a shower cap over her hair, and then I just kind of let her do what she do for about 15 more minutes. So in total, I basically processed her hair for about 30 minutes, all right? So once I was done with that, I did shampoo, and then I did deep condition her hair. So this is how everything looks after it's basically ready to go. I rinsed the hair out really, really, really well, and then I used that Aussie shampoo, and I basically shampooed twice with that. Once I shampooed with that, I did put some purple shampoo on her hair just to make sure it wasn't really like brassy or anything. Make sure I had like an evenness and no type of brassiness that was going on. So I put that purple shampoo on her hair for a couple minutes. I rinsed that out. And then I went ahead and used the conditioner that came in the box dye. Now, the conditioner that came in the box dye is just a little sample size. But, guys, it was the Creme of Nature shea butter and the mango butter shampoo or conditioner. It's supposed to be like a shampoo and conditioner set. But, again, it just came with the conditioner. I used the three packs of the conditioner, and I spread it through her hair. And I detangled her hair again, and then I twisted her hair in a couple sections and put another shower cap on and put her under the dryer for 10 minutes. Once I did that, y'all, I basically rinsed her hair out. She was all deep conditioned up, and I'm ready to style. So I used the Alpha G, the reconstructurizer, and this is just to add like protein back to her hair and add some keratin to her hair to make sure everything is strong after it's been dyed. After I do that, the color looks darker because it's wet, but as you guys can see at the end, you'll be able to see like the color shine really, really well. It went out really, really well. I think it complemented her skin tone as well. So once I did that, I just got my Conair blow dryer, and I got the nozzle attachment that came with it. I got the paddle brush, and I'm just going to go over and kind of blow her hair out from the roots to the ends, so that way I have enough kind of friction to kind of get everything blown out. Now, she is super, super tender-headed, guys, so it was a struggle getting this done when it comes to the detangling part, especially with the blowout part, because she was very, 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 very tender-headed. But we got it done. We got it done, guys. So unfortunately, the silk press did not last a day. It was raining whenever we did her hair, and she had somewhere to go, and then she had her hair out. So the silk press did not last, guys. I was just hoping that we had a clear day because it is starting to get cool. But, girl, the weather was not on our side today, okay, on that day. So, like I said, I blow her hair out. I use some heat protectant, which I use the Ion Solutions heat protectant. Everything that I use will be in the description box below, guys. Even if I don't show it in the video, it will be in the description box below. I used the Baby Bliss flat iron to flat iron her hair, guys. And like I said, she didn't have her ends clipping about 2.5, 3 years, y'all. I clipped off most of her ends, but I did not clip off all her ends because she is actually getting her hair locked, and I feel like a little dead hair is not going to be harmful. So I wanted to keep a little bit of her kind of dead hair because she's not wearing her hair out. She just wanted her hair colored before she get locks, okay? So that is basically, you know, my explanation as to why I'm not going to cut off all of her dead ends.
Excel on the track.
Okay, y'all, so after I trimmed, I put a little bit of this, what is it called? I think it's called the Ultra Hydration, the honey serum. Guys, I do not really like that serum, okay? I don't feel like it penetrates enough or anything like that. I'm used to like the BioSilk or the Chi. That works pretty well, but guys, I didn't have that. So, you know, we had to put some type of little serum on her hair. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of bump her hair a little bit. And yeah, I was supposed to use saran wrap. Didn't have that either, y'all. I just was not prepared today, okay? But we kind of made it do what it do. You know, we made it happen. We made it happen. So yeah, but it would have had a lot more body if I would have been able to wrap it the way I wanted to, you know, with the saran wrap. But yes, guys, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just kind of bumping the ends with the Baby Bliss flat iron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For her edges, I literally just got like a little edge brush, a little toothbrush, and then I put that Got To Be Glue spray on that, and I just kind of molded her edges back. I do not like using edge control whenever I have like a client's hair out, whether it's like leave out or anything like that, or a silk press. I just don't like the look of it. I like a natural edge. So I got that Got To Be Glue spray, and I just kind of did her edges with that after I flat iron her edges with the hot comb and use that Style Factor. But like I stated, guys, everything will be in the description box below what I used. I don't recommend that little mini flat iron. It was sent to me as a gift, like, you know, when you have like a wig or whatever, when somebody sent, you know how those companies send you little gifts. I don't really recommend, but it's, you know, the only one I had, and it did its job, okay? Love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think this color turned out so great. I think the silk press turned out not too shabby either. Love you guys so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.